Now students, we just move the next topic, the value of small g on the surface of the moon. In last video we calculated the value of small g on the surface of earth, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Now we have to calculate this small g at the surface of moon. So we know that we know that the this value is small g. We write out here just only moon. So g m m by r m square. So here is the equation 1. So m means mass of moon, r m means stand for the radius of the moon. Now we calculate the gravity on the surface of the moon. So here we know m, we just write here the mass of the moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg, and next one is rm stand for the radius of the moon, and this becomes 1.75 into 10 to the power 6 meter. So students, you must have to remember this value. This is very convenience for you. So small, this is capital G, 6.673 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So this value just put in equation 1. So just we write down substituting this value in equation 1. We have now the value of G moon. Just we put this value 6.673 minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square into 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg whole upon this value 1.75 into 10 to the power 6 meter whole square. Now we calculate again 6.673 into 7.4 1.75 whole square into the whole terms of 10 to the power is separate out. Just write on here this value. Just we multiply this value, we calculate that 49.3802, and this square becomes 3.0625. Now after this value is 11 power 12. Now this dividing consider this 16.1241 into 1 by 10. This is 1.61241. So G moon is equal to approximate value 1.6 meter per second square. So this value is at the surface of the moon. Here just remember it. Now we have to just compare this value with the surface of the earth. Now you see that we have got the two values, that is G earth is 9.8 meter per second square, we also calculate earlier, and G moon is 1.6 meter per second square. So in that condition we dividing these two, that is we compare the value, that what amount of the value when the body is moves from the earth to moon surface, then what is the change in the gravity. So we compare these two value. So just we write down so this value, just we divide this value, approximate value will come 1 by 6. After just dividing it, just cut down after calculation. So G moon is equal to 1 by 6th of gravity of Earth. So this is the compare the gravity at moon surface is 1/6 of the gravitational at the surface of Earth. So we write down next Earth's acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon is 1/6 times the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Earth. So that's all. This is the complete way how to calculate the one surface of the gravity with compared to the other surface. So simply we just calculate the two values separately and just compare it by dividing these two. Now we calculate this value will come. So that's why the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of moon is 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the Earth. So this is the complete calculation, complete expression. You just go through this, you just remember this and just calculate the all values. We just discuss some numericals also in next video. So just be carefully, just calculate it and remember it. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.